Okay, so the timing of this is honestly pretty crazy. This is maybe one of my first videos that I've shot in the studio with like the actual move. If you guys can't see, like all this stuff is like this way. This one is just like raw, unscripted. I think you know what this is by kind of looking at it. We have honestly done it. This is my 1 million gold YouTube like plaque. Let's unbox it, let's talk, let's have story time. This one is honestly just really special for me. And I honestly haven't even thought this one through. I don't even have a mic set up. So I'm just gonna put this here. Hopefully we sound okay. Yeah, this is super surreal because I was actually thinking back to like my silver play button, which is 100K. Got that at like my old studio. So it's like we are switching studios, switching plaques. Everyone has like seen this before. It is just like the standard thing that you get like from YouTube. Unfortunately, I think they've reduced the size. It's smaller, but you did it. One mission, one channel. One more thing, 1 million subs. Like I know that like everyone goes on their own journey through like social. It has been like 14 years for me creating content. Never in my wildest dreams did I think that it would lead to this. Like I used to watch like my favorite YouTubers like back in the day get these play buttons. It was like the old school one with like the glass and like the actual button. I don't even know what to say. This is super cool. Presented to Karl Conrad for passing 1 million subscribers. Thinking back to you know, when this entire thing started, I created this channel of unboxing things. I think my first video was a pair of green Beats by Dre headphones. It was like a one take, didn't know what I was doing, had no camera knowledge, because when I saw an ad of it, it was you know, green or bright green, but when I got them, it wasn't like a true representation of the color. So I was like, you know, people need to know about this. People need to know that it is not the real green. And fast forward to today, we have reached 1 million people following the channel, which is once again, absolutely nuts. Like I cannot begin to thank you for this journey. If you've watched like any piece of content like along the years, thank you, thank you, thank you. From like the bottom of my heart, it has just been the craziest journey. I've got to do some of the coolest things. I've got to work with some of the greatest brands. You know, I used to watch like Apple keynotes all the time as a kid. I've been to the Apple campus and done those keynotes like in person. I've got to work with, you know, Porsche, my favorite car brand. I've got to work with Lego. I've got to work with the million tech brands that have led me to the craziest places like around the world. When I had like a real job, I think I've been doing this full time now for like 5-6 years. I worked like a real job most of the time throughout my YouTube career. And now I can say that it is my full-time job, which is amazing. From recording videos in my bedroom in my parents' place to, you know, my first condo, to getting like my first studio set up. I had like a triple monitor set up to, you know, my last studio, which I had where I broke like 100K, to now, like 6 years later, like now I've built this entire house, this studio, because I started posting videos on the internet. So completely wild. I just wanted to make this to just, you know, thank everyone for this really cool journey. I'm almost like I'm fumbling. I'm almost speechless in what to say. Thinking back to you know, some of the highlights that I've done. You know, I used to vlog. I used to do like a weekly vlog. Not that my life was entertaining, but you know, I did that. To skydiving with like Red Bull, puking in a plane that ended up crashing like later because it didn't make the record. I puked with Porsche on the track. I guess like I'm a big puker, but just doing the most random stuff that you would never think of, you know, being possible. I've got to review almost like every single device before they're available to like the public. Things I used to like dream of, you know, as a kid, have now become a reality. And even like meeting some of you on some of my travels, whether like they're work related. I've gone, you know, with some friends, family, like my girlfriend at the time, now like my wife. We have been to the most remote places around the world, and I have found people that have been like, hey, you know, we watch your content, like I appreciate that. And I'm sure there's a lot of you that might have seen me and, you know, just didn't say hi. So to everyone that has interacted with me, anyone that has watched me through the lens, thank you. It hasn't always been the highest of highs. I leaked like a OnePlus phone. Didn't really know about it, but you know, there have been some really weird lows to creating content, always having the anxiety of, that performance. Will this video perform well? I still get that now, like 14 years later. I don't think this video will do well because it's not part of the algorithm, having to deal with that. Maybe adapting to short form content too late, which is maybe why some of my socials haven't grown as fast as I want. All those things you kind of battle with, but off camera here, I just pulled up my silver plaque, which, you know what? I think they like cheapened out. Like this one is actually like heavier. That's funny than the gold one. This gold one actually used to be bigger, but honestly still cannot complain. These will be mounted here, like in my studio here somewhere. You can tell this is a complete like work in progress. Like I said, this is one of the first videos that I've made here. I just wanted to make it super quick, and maybe in the future I can watch this again. I can show it to Kira, my daughter, who has just been one of the biggest changes in my life in the past 7 months. I'm gonna end the rant and the terrible performing video, and just lots more content to come soon. Thank you. The team, I forgot about the team. I forgot to mention, I built a team. I'm looking at Avi here. I've also built a team, which has been great. And it's really helped me spend more time with my family because yes, you do work a lot creating content. People always forget, it's easy to post videos like on the internet. It is effing hard. The amount, the volume, there is just so much. Having a team has enabled me to still live a bit of a life. So thanks to them, thanks to everyone. And now it's the end.